Hi everyone, welcome back on my channel. In previous video we started talking about transit times. Today in this video we will focus on some examples of the data. We are still in the medicine data. What I did so far, I just copied these 4 columns to our example worksheet to just focus about this data. What is this example of the data? I would say that this is kind of garbage data, and I tell you why. So let's focus about now the columns. First column is when PO is sent to the vendor, so when purchasing order is sent to our vendor. Then we have scheduling data, delivery to our client data, and delivery code date. Here I just create a simple column with the boolean information if the data are the same. And we have just the same data, which give us like lack of information. So we are not able to see if you have some misunderstanding between the delivery to our final customer. It can be because we are 100% sure that everything is delivered when you are planned, or the data is not updated. It can be as well. Why I think that this is as well garbage data? Because of the formatting of the columns. So in the first column we are using the slashes between the day, month and the year, and for month period we are using the number. In other columns we are using dashes and we are using the name of the month, so like August, November, January. As well, for both columns, even for the same rows, we have different formattings. So here we have, for example, of the 12th row, when for PO vendor we have number of the date, we are using the number for it gives information about which date is it. Other columns we are using the information with month of the name and the date. Why this is give us misinformation? We are not even able to calculate the transit time between send the PO and the delivery date, so a big lack of information for this period. What I did as well, I checked the data not captured and NA from RDC. So even that we have different formattings as well, we have date which is not captured, and it's give us, I use the count if formula here, and it gives us that more than 50% of the data is missing. So different formattings which we are not able to calculate, and as well missing information. All of the data is also in the data format, so you can check as I showed you in previous video. You can use like, for example, year column and try to capture year. It gives us a value formatting. So data is not very useful for us in this period. Let's focus about other examples of transit time. So here I have this European Road Freight Car Transit Calculator from DHL website. This is calculator for LTS, groupage and pallet and pallet shipments. You can choose the origin country, destination country, origin postcodes, and this calculator gives you the transit time from DHL as well, and the cost for these shipments. So very useful information. You can do it by yourself. Most of the carriers and delivery companies have something similar, so you can choose DHL, Kugelnagel, TNT to see how the transit time will look for your information. As well, most of the companies have some definite transit time. I choose the transit time in Europe for parcels and pallets only in parcels only, as well for DHL. Then you can find transit time which they provided for most of the countries. Some of the countries have divided by regions, like German region and rest, as well like Sweden North and South. This transit time can be a very good indicator to see how transit times can be changed and what you can think about them in some of the regions. I guess that there are good examples from transit for now. Thank you for watching.